Señor Santo Niño! ¡Viva, viva, viva!
Produktong aton gid mapadayaw kasapatan ibay luta. Dali kita maghinugyaw, produktong aton gid
María Purísima, Ave Madre de Dios. ¡Viva Señor Santo Niño! ¡Viva, viva, viva!
¡Viva, Señor Santo Niño! ¡Viva! ¡Viva! ¡Viva!
Santo Niño! Viva! Viva! Viva!
Viva, Señor Santo Niño! Viva! Viva! Viva!
Kaligaw mo magdagang kita, bukas ka lang utang na kalabira.
Viva! Dinagyang!
Pagpasalamat sa kabuganaan. Viva, Señor Santo Niño! Viva! Viva! Viva!
Señor Santo Niño! Viva! 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 Dinagyang!
Sa mga kababayan natin sa syudad at probinsya ng Iloilo, binabati ko po kayong lahat ng isang maligayang Dinagyang Festival. Viva Santo Niño!
This year's unique Dinagyang celebration is a clear manifestation of the resilience of the Ilonggos. The province of Iloilo fully supports the celebration of Dinagyang Digital 2021. Viva Señor Santo Niño!
This is Mayor Jerry Treñas inviting everyone to the virtual celebration of Dinagyang 2021. One Dinagyang, one Iloilo, halad kay Senyor Santo Niño.
One Dinagyang, one Iloilo, halad kay Senyor Santo Niño. Ini si Congresswoman Jamjam Baronda, gugma ko, hope mo. Halabira, Iloilo. Viva Senyor Santo Niño!
Ini si Dr. Candice Tupac, nagatamyaw sa malipayong nga Dinagyang. Viva Senyor Santo Niño! Yun kita sa gihapon, Ilonggo.
Police Regional Office 6 is one with the Ilonggo in the celebration of Dinagyang Festival 2021. With the theme, One Dinagyang, One Iloilo. As we enjoy our digital Dinagyang celebration, may we be reminded of the graces bestowed upon us despite the pandemic. Halabira Iloilo! Viva Señor Santo Niño!
In behalf of the men and women of Capiz Police Provincial Office, kami nagatamyaw sa tanan nga Ilonganon sang malipayon kag masadya nga Dinagyang Festival 2021. Halabira!
Inyong biyansi dyan nga nagatamyaw sa inyong tanan sa malipayon nga pagsaulog sang Dinagyang Festival. Kamay pangawayan kita ni Senior Santo Niño. Always stay safe, stay fit, and stay young. Forever young, dyan young. Viva Senior Santo Niño!
What if one day you wake up and you have a child? What if your child grows up to be curious? What if he gets adventurous? What if he's a risk taker? What if you are no longer around? Make sure you keep your family protected with Basic Cover Plus. Get up to 2 times your insurance benefits, your premium back, and more. All guaranteed.
SM is a community for local businesses. We do our share to sustain and support local farmers, local entrepreneurs, and local neighborhoods.
Si farmers, nung nakapasyal sila sa loob ng SM, nakakita sila ng mga produce doon. Sana itong produce ng gulay namin makarating dito. Hindi lang nakarating Kami na mismo nagtitinda. Dati, basta't lang may bibili sa mga produce mo, masaya ka na Ngayon, may produce ka na, may bumibili pa, kumikita ka pa. So, napakalaking impact sa buhay ng mga farmers. Lalo silang naingganyong magtanim ng magtanim.
This way, we can bounce back better, stronger together.
Panay News would like to thank the following.
Pair of Westbridge School Incorporated, forging excellence, forming men of character. Metro Bank Foundation, excel, engage, empower. Commonwealth Insurance Company. Gardenia, quality and freshness delivered daily to your family. Gardenia, laging kasama. Yunako, nourishing generations. Chowking, Enjoy big savings from these Chowking Sulit Savers coupons. Avail this promo at Chowking Antique, Chowking Atrium and Iloilo Merimart, Chowking General Luna and Gaisano ICC, Chowking Calibo and City Mall Calibo, Chowking JM Basa and City Mall Pasig, Chowking Molo and Gaisano La Paz. Get a free food item for every purchase of Dinagyang Meal Bundle. Available in all Chowking, Iloilo and Calibo stores.
Mega World Iloilo Business Park.
Metro Iloilo Water District. GMA, buong puso para sa Pilipino. Pag-ibig Fund. Bell Hotel. Pigrolac, Premium Hog Feeds.
We are on a mission to gather and spread fast, fresh, and accurate news daily. Ever since its establishment in April 7, 1981, Panay News is the only Monday to Sunday newspaper in Western Visayas that covers the widest reach in most cities and provinces in the region, reaching every sector in the community through our stories. We are invested to foster the safety, security, and welfare of our people, who in turn carries our brand with great pride and company spirit. Behind news that is reliable and complete is a strong workforce of competent and multi-skilled individuals working with the state-of-the-art machines. We are the only newspaper in Western Visayas using web printing and computer-to-plate technology, capable of printing 35,000 folded newspapers per hour. Through our innovative business practices, quality products and services, customer concern, ethical business image, value proposition, and pricing, we have been recognized for numerous awards as Best Regional Newspaper. This is what shaped Panay News today. We take pride to be the top-of-mind newspaper to readers in the region, and we continue to lead throughout the history of print media industry in Western Visayas through our content, whether in printed or digital form. And as we strive to become the country's most preferred local newspaper, we will continue to tell stories that educate, move, and inspire our readers, providing genuine public service that comes from the heart of our people. And that is, and always will be, the core being of our business. We are Panay News, the #1 regional newspaper.